Guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products. We do reviews on hotels and even make money online program. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on this expansion dock for a Microsoft Surface laptop. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's check it out. Like my Surface only has like one Type-C and one USB, so this will come in handy. So user manual right there. Check it out. So fast USBs, Type-Cs. We got the micro SD card reader, regular SD card, microphone option, VGA, HDMIs, and then your Ethernet port right here. And then this is the way to plug it into the computer. And then this one you get the way to power it on. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up now. So this will just plug into this, just like that. Perfect. This to this. So now let's hook it up to our laptop and see how it works. All right, so let's go ahead and actually hook it up. Boom. All right, and there we go. So first parts first, it's ready to go. So let's go and plug some things into it, see how it works. So let's actually plug something in. We'll start with that USB, see if it detects it. There we go. Awesome. So it did detect it. Show you the screen, but it just doesn't have anything on it. And then if we try the Type-C, let's try that one. There we go as well. Brings it right up. Let's try this one, which is the micro. It doesn't have anything on it, so I'm not sure if that's why it's not reading it. Yep, there it is, removable disc. Right there. So as you can see, plenty of things you have plugged into it. Onto here, plug something else in. Even if we wanted to even just use it for charging our Apple Watch, just like that, you can use the dock for that as well. All right, and then the last thing I did want to show is, so you can see I got a portable display back here. So we're just gonna go ahead and plug that in. All right, looks like it's reading it. And there you go. So you're able to, use multiple displays off of this docking station, which is huge because, like I said, I only have that Type-C and USB. I did end up using this is a HDMI to Type-C all-in-one cable. So I guess it just makes it a little simpler, but if you have any adapters or anything like that, you can use that as well. But that's what I use right here. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new expansion dock for your Microsoft Surface laptop, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description. I'll get yours. Highly recommend.